You mentioned about working with or serving a lot of people that have highly sensitive nervous systems, which I'm familiar with, you're familiar with. What are some indicators of that you see in people? Like that maybe if somebody's listening, they could understand if they do or don't have a highly sensitive nervous system.
Okay, cool. So one thing is if when they come into a space, watch how they interact with the space. Do they do a lot of looking around? Are they, they can be very aware of things. They're very aware, maybe very aware of their body. So because it looks different in different people, but
Okay.
it could be like they're very attuned to, I smell something. It's their five senses are heightened, where it's like these lights are too bright, or that music's a little bit too loud. Can you be softer with what you're talking? And they may not ask this, but all the things that are five sensory things that are inputs, they may be more overwhelmed. It's kind of like being in a rock concert of information with light, sound, smells, tastes, textures, things like that.